I'm going to deny a motion for a mistrial with prejudice. That one, I don't believe that the facts bear out. Would you like a mistrial without prejudice?
What?
Yes. You would? Who else would?
What?
That means, of course, that the state would be free to try every one of y'all again.
Do it. Do it.
Just a moment.
Sure.
Wait, what?
What are we watching?
Could she have reached the end of a rope?
Oh, my word. Everybody's surprised.
Oh, all the attorneys are like, listen, we need to huddle up now. Oh, Hilton just ran out of the courtroom. Did you? Hilton like, go get Fanny. Go get Fanny.
Fanny's birthday too.
What's that?
Today's Fanny's birthday too. She's at Tyrese's house or something.
Tyrese, she getting dick from Nathan Wayne. Say, Nathan, get up off of her. Somebody write, Nathan, get up off of her. There's about to be a mistrial. Come to court. Fanny, we need to put your drawers on, baby.
Oh my God.
Put your drawers on, Fanny. It's about to be a mistrial. Oh my God. Fanny at home getting birthday dick. Meanwhile, it's a goddamn mistrial in the making. Somebody write birthday dick in the damn chat. Fanny, get up. Somebody get Fanny.
Lee, you're crazy.
Fanny, get up.
You are so crazy.
She getting birthday dick. It's about to be a mistrial in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh my God. It's about to be a goddamn mistrial. Fanny, where you at? Oh man, wait a minute. And the attorneys have to huddle up because, oh man, some of the attorneys want a mistrial and some of them don't. Oh no, they got to decide. Brian has already said you want a mistrial without prejudice. All right, without prejudice, you definitely want one. Y'all got me sweating. It's about to be a mistrial. Now here's the thing. And this is up. All right, this is up. You know, what do we mean? Explain the difference between a mistrial with prejudice and a mistrial without prejudice. What are we talking about here?
So it's two different things, right? A motion for a mistrial with prejudice means that they cannot bring the issue to court again. Now, on the other hand, the other side of it is without prejudice, there's a risk there because that means that all of them are at risk of retrying and going to court all over again and going through this entire process from start to finish. Maybe it's not together. Maybe it's not RICO. Maybe some of them get severed. Some of them want to be severed, right?
Yes. Listen, guys, and I'm gonna put it. Here's the thing. I'm gonna put the chat's moving too fast. Y'all got some great comments, but the chat's going too fast. I can't pull them up. But y'all are on it. Shout out to Phil. Phil said a mistrial mid-stroke is nasty work. Nasty work. Nasty work. Shout out to Phil. Shout out to Phil. Nathan, Fanny at home like, what? Nathan, get up off me, nigga. They about to mistrial. Get up off me. They about to mistrial the fucking case. It's nasty work. Hell no. Listen. All right, here's the thing though. We got to be serious. What would you do? Because here's the thing. Consider it. I'm going to put a poll up and we're still watching. All right, we're not back yet. But I'm going to ask you, would you want a mistrial without prejudice? Because here's the thing, guys. You know, and I know, and everybody in the hood know that Young Thug is winning. Can we be honest? They're winning. AV put us on game that the judge said recently that she wants the state's case to be over in December. Say the defense, they put on a little something, they go till January. Let's say in February, the case can be over and done with, not guilty. Young Thug comes home in February. If you I don't want a mistrial, let's keep it going. A mistrial, get home in February. Probably. Now, you could go to prison for 30 years, right? But it seems probable that they're winning. We all think that they're winning. So you have to stay in longer. You have to keep going with the trial. But let's say you get out February 1st. Or today you could get a mistrial without prejudice. What's the problem? The problem is that the state is elections and all that. Fannie's running it back. Fannie is running this case back.
The election's in like 2.5 weeks.
Yeah, she's gonna run it back. And so Thug can absolutely be, and he's not gonna get a bond. So if they run it back again, he's not gonna get a bond another 2 years. So do you want another 2 years, 3 years in jail and then get your not guilty? Or do you get your not guilty right now? But there's a risk. Maybe they say, well, we're not going to run it back. So then maybe you're free. You never know. It's all in the air. Let me ask you guys, and I'm going to put up a poll, and we're still watching, guys, because the defense counsel, some of them want a mistrial.
Yeah.
Some of them do not. And so they're arguing back and forth. They're doing what we're doing right now. We're winning. No, let's just take it right now. A bird in the hand is worth two in the bush. They're not going to run it back. No, they're going to run it back. What do y'all think? Let me put a
This is a unique opportunity for them too.
Yes, let me put it. Do you accept a mistrial without prejudice? Yes or no? That's the big question. And it's a hard question, guys. That's why they're still out. They're still huddled. The defense counsel is still huddled together because they are kind of winning. Yeah. But we think they're winning, but we never know. What if you don't accept a mistrial and this jury comes back guilty 30 years? You're going to want to shoot yourself in the fucking face because you could have got at least a new jury, or maybe the state doesn't even run it back, but they're going to run it back, right? But you never know. What do y'all think? Do you take the mistrial or do you let's keep going? Because I am shocked that Whitaker put that damn thing on the table. Do y'all want it?
Both were she's just like, well, do you want one without prejudice? And they were all like,
what?
Who are you?
Okay. Facts. It's like on the first date when she damn, lead, I ain't gonna have sex with you. It's the first date, but I'll suck you off if you want that.
You guys
what do you do?
Do you take it?
What do you do in a position like this, guys? We are still we're waiting right here. But what is and some of y'all are 50-50. What are y'all saying in the polls? I hate the way YouTube shows the polls. You can't really see the whole thing. Oh, there you go. It is 43 to 57. 57 of y'all say do not accept the mistrial.
Wow.
43 of y'all are yeah, let's go on and try to wrap it up. Let's go on and take it now. They might not run it back.
Keep voting. There's 7,000 of y'all. We only got 1,000 votes.
Yeah, everybody vote. I'm gonna lock y'all. I'm gonna make y'all vote. I'm gonna make y'all vote. Everybody vote. I did not know only 1,000 of y'all have voted. This is a real I'm gonna lock y'all out until y'all vote. I want 2,500 votes.
I'm so done.
Shout out to AV. AV's why aren't y'all voting? This is a real thing right here. All right. Shout out to the members. We know y'all are voting. I got some lazy motherfuckers in here. Y'all don't even want to vote.
It's not even a belt. He went outside and got the switch.
Okay. Y'all don't want to. Okay, shit. That's what Biden needs, because a lot of y'all are I'm Biden. Biden's I need to take the switch out of y'all black people, boy. Shit, y'all black people are not with Biden, especially you black men. Black women, all right, y'all want Kabbalah, but y'all black men are this, we going to Trump, goddammit. Oh, so what do y'all think? We're waiting on it right here. We're still waiting, guys. But this has been this is a crazy turn of events.
Insane.
Let me check. How I can't see how many people voted. Oh, yeah. So y'all are coming up. Y'all are voting by 18. Man, y'all are 50-50 on this thing. And if y'all are 50-50, imagine how these attorneys are. So that's why, they're huddled up. We're waiting for them, but they're still deciding. They're still deciding what the hell's going on. So shit, man, this is a tough one, and I would need some time, but I really do I think that they're winning.
Yeah.
The judge said prosecution be done by December. Defense is only going to take a month or so.
Mhm.
You know, I can have Thug home home.
And he can start working again.
Yes, put out a new fucking album, right? Invite me and AV. Shit, put us on the front row. We need to. Don't y'all think me and AV? Don't we need some front row tickets somewhere?
God,
goddamn it!
On the slime the other day.
Oh, look at it! Yes,
we need tickets.
you need a green hat. That's what you need. You need a green cap. Yeah. Don't do that because then you'll get arrested. All right. Don't do that shit. Don't do that shit. Betty, snatch your ass right up.
I was always afraid to like bump into her at the nail salon or whatever. Because I used to wear my merch that said, "That was cute."
That was cute. Oh my God. So what do y'all think? Do you take the mistrial or do you not? What does Dove say? Dove says, take the damn mistrial. Costs too much to run it back. Tainted. Ooh, now Dove, listen, shout out to Dove. Somebody write Dove. Everybody in Georgia is tainted. Everybody, this is a great point. How are they going to find a jury?
Everybody knows about it.
Yeah, for the first jury, guys, they called in thousands of people. This was before the case. They called in thousands of people. Now, the biggest case in Georgia state history, this could absolutely be the longest running case in the United States history. This case is gone. I mean, it was indicted in 2022. This case is insane. So what does he say? He says, cost too much to run it back, tainted jury pool, and the election is right around the corner. I'm taking my chances. It should be with prejudice. The state should have redacted. Dub is making some great points, guys. If they try to run it back, where are they going to get the fucking jury from? Where? We've all heard about this. I assure you, everybody in Georgia has heard about this case.
What a day for it to happen too. So apparently, I have Fanny's birthday invitation here. It looks like there is a Hawks game tonight, and there's a birthday tip-off thing for her there.
Oh my God.
So tomorrow there's a women's empowerment lunch at her house. And then there's going to be a party at Tyrese's house.
Party at Tyrese's house.
So this is like for it to happen today.
Today. Shout out to Michael Love. Somebody write Michael Love in the damn chat. Gifting 10 memberships. Big contributor to my channel. Big contributor, huge contributor to AV's channel. A humongous contributor to the community. Thank you. Big shout out to Michael Love. If you got one of Michael Love's memberships, please tell him thank you. And don't just say thanks, nigga. No, say thank you, Michael Love. Put a name on it. Y'all hearing in my voice, I'm from the South. You see it right here. You see the emblem, state of Georgia. You see the emblem. Where is state of Georgia located? It's in the South. Where do we have Southern hospitality? Please put a name on it. Say thank you, Michael Love. The names must be named. Big shout out to Michael Love. Guys, we are waiting for the judge to come back. Is it going to be a mistrial? Put yes if you think it's going to be a mistrial. Put no if you think not. I don't know. Dub said take it, goddammit. Nigga like Lee, like, man, I don't know, man. I think we're going to win this goddamn thing. And here's the thing. And let me tell you what else, guys. This is why it's taking so long. This is very important, so let me say it. The judge asked the attorneys, do you want a mistrial? It's not the attorney's decision. Whose decision is it? It's Yak's decision. It's SB's decision, aka Shannon Steelwell, aka Shannon Jackson. It's his decision. It's Jeffrey Williams' decision, aka Young Thug. Guys, it's King Slime's decision. We as attorneys cannot make the decision. We can't make it for you. They'd be like, Lee, go on and tell me what to do. I can't. I can tell you the pros and I can tell you the cons. In fact, that's my job. I have to explain it to you, the risk versus reward. But at the end of the day, this is your case.
Yes.
So now it's not like the attorneys have to sit there and decide. The attorneys have to explain all of this to their clients. What do you want to do? What do you want to do, SB? What do you want to do, Yak? What do you want to do, King? And King has to sit there like, God, I wasn't even expecting this. I was barely paying attention. Let me tell it. Now I have to decide, and Steele is like, these are the pros. These are the cons. What do you want to do, King? And he's like, shit, man, I don't know. What would you do, Brian?
Like Doug has a few kids too. Like
he's got kids. Yes, we're still waiting. But guys, this is why this is taking so long, because it's not just the decision, it's the explanation.
Mm-hmm.
You have to explain it to these YNs, and they got to sit there and ponder. They have to consider. They have to deliberate. This could be the biggest decision of their lives. What do? We've been in for so long. We've been in for 2 years. We're not going to get another bond if they run it back. Are they going to run it back? Dub says no. Where are they going to find a jury? Everybody in the state of Georgia's heard about this case.
And they're not fans of it.
No. Golly, this is a tough one, man. Shout out to Michael Love. Thank you. We're still waiting. Go ahead, AV.
They have hit the threshold of 2.5.
You all right? So y'all, all right. So let me check. Let me see what y'all said. Thank you. Damn, y'all, I locked y'all ass out. It's 50-50. 49 yes, 50 what? So y'all see how hard it is.
Mm-hmm.
Pause. Jesus Christ, this is a tough one. Let me let y'all back in. When y'all come in, I want to see forget Yak for a second. Forget the YN. Forget SB. I want to know, when y'all come back in, what do you think Jeffrey's going to do? Is Jeffrey going to say mistrial or no mistrial? When you come in, say mistrial or no mistrial. What is Jeffrey going to do? This is really the question. Is his case? Jesus. I'm struggle streaming. What is Jeffrey going to do? Come on in. And thank AV for I'm going to end the poll right here. You see it, it's 51-49. The vast majority of y'all are saying Jeffrey's going to want a mistrial. Well, now it's starting to even out. Golly, man. This is a tough one. Most of y'all are saying Jeffrey's going to want a mistrial. Most of y'all are saying AV's right. Jeffrey's got these damn kids at home. Jeffrey want to be home with his kids. He's sick of eating these goddamn honey buns. He's sick of eating these goddamn soups. He wants to go home with his family. So y'all, let me slow the chat down a little bit, but man, big shout out to Michael Love. Thank you so much, Michael. We are on mistrial watch. We're on mistrial watch. Steele is explaining.
Yeah, and this is probably over 40 motions for mistrial. She has, from when she's taken over since Glanville, this is the only one she's entertaining.
Yes. Big shout out to ZZXXZZ. Somebody write ZZ in the damn chat. He gifted 5 memberships. 5 of y'all were freed when y'all were locked out because y'all weren't hitting y'all weren't voting. Y'all some lazy, just vote. But I'm so glad y'all did, because y'all got to see how hard it is. 49% said yes, take the mistrial. 51% said no. Y'all were even Steven.
Mm-hmm.
So what is SB going to do? What is Yak going to do? What is King going to do? These are 3. Who are the other 3 on trial? Do you know?
Marquavius Huey.
What is his name? Is that Obama? No.
Quay. I think it's Quay.
Oh, shit, Quay?
Both Quays.
Are there 2 Quays in here?
Yes, Quay in the front, and then Westmoreland's Quay in the back.
God damn. What is Quay gonna do? What is Quay gonna do? Are the two Quays, are they gonna see eye to eye?
And this is really about them. This mistrial is about the Quays.
It's about the Quays. Which Quay are we talking about? Oh man, this is exciting right here.
Before now.
And we need context for this because y'all got to remember the first thing about Detective Gaither. They asked Detective Dennis to identify a photo, and Detective Dennis said, "Oh well, yeah, that photo was taken when he was going in and out of jail." And the shit hit the fan. The judge was irate. The defense counsel was irate. They asked for a mistrial. The judge was close to giving it. The judge excused the witness, Dennis, and wanted to bring him back just to scold him, just to talk shit to him in front of everybody. The judge was like, "I'll bring him back." And everybody, the defense counsel was like, no, you don't need to do that. The judge was irate. Why? Because Dennis let the jury know that he had been in prison. And this was a couple of days ago. And it was this close to being a mistrial. Now listen to what this dude says. Listen.
Like, if any, with him.
Now?
Let's talk about before now.
Oh, we were cool.
Are you still cool now?
I don't know him right now. He's been locked up for a couple of years. What, I ain't supposed to say that?
Come on, man. Come on. I was supposed to say that? I think he's like, listen, are you cool with the lead? Oh, I don't know. He's been locked up for a couple of years. I just asked if you were cool with him. I didn't ask where he was. And this just happened with Dennis a couple of days ago.
Crazy.
And I promise you, I've been doing this. I've been practicing law for 20 years. When you guys are on the stand, y'all never, I wasn't supposed to say that. Y'all just be talking. Y'all never think about it causing a mistrial. This dude has been watching the damn tape. Somebody put him on game. Let's go.
Disregard that.
And just listen to the question that I ask you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
He's trying to cause a mistrial. Somebody gave him 3,000.
Yes.
How long?
I got a question.
Do you need to talk to your lawyer?
No, I'm just trying to see. I ain't supposed to say that or something.
Come on! Come on! Wait, stop the damn show. Come on. He stops all of the testimony. Wait. Judge, did you hear what I said? I wasn't supposed to say what I said. Did you hear it, Judge? Come on. Y'all gonna tell me that shit wasn't intentional?
He even said to him, "Do you need to speak to your lawyer?"
And he said, no. He said, I want to know if I was supposed to say that or not. Come on, y'all. I just been doing this shit too long. That is not a thing. None of y'all testifying would say that if it wasn't planned. None of y'all. Look at him stop. He wants to reverse it. Listen to what he says. He says that he was in a jail. The judge says, don't worry about it, move on. The prosecutor asks him a question. He answers it. The prosecutor asks him another question. He stops it. He says, wait, I have a question. The judge says, do you need to speak to your lawyer? No, I have a question. Was I supposed to say that thing back there? Did y'all hear it? Come on, listen to it. This shit is planned, guys. Watch this. Let's watch the whole sequence. Listen to me.
About before now.
Oh, we were cool.
Are you still cool now?
I don't know him right now. He's been locked up for a couple of years. What, I ain't supposed to say that?
All right, that's the first thing. If y'all are like, well, I don't know, lead. I don't know. I can tell you as a 20-year attorney, none of y'all would say that. But I'm going to give you the benefit of doubt. I'm going to give you the benefit of the doubt that y'all, this is a mistake. Fine. And this is not an attorney, guys. This is not an expert witness. He doesn't know. He should not know how to cause a mistrial. He should not know what to say and not to say. But fine. Let's just assume he doesn't know. Okay, fine. All right, let's keep going.
his words. He's been locked up for a few years. What? Am I not supposed to say that? 'Cause
Exactly.
remember all these other mistrials were over points where defendants were mentioned that they were in jail.
In
like
jail.
that Gotti.
This just happened.
He knew. You're right.
That's what I'm trying to tell you guys. It just fucking happened. Listen, so he's like, oh, I wasn't supposed to say that? Oh, this, okay, here we go.
I don't know him right now. He's been locked up for a couple of years. What, I ain't supposed to say that?
Disregard.
So the
His
judge,
mouth- did you see his mouth? He said,
right? So the judge says, listen, just disregard it, move on. All right. What I've been cross-examining y'all for 2 decades. 100% of y'all, if the judge says move on, you would just be like, fine, move on. All right. The judge tells him to move on and he moves on. Let's take a look. The judge says, move on. Here we go.
And just listen to the question that I ask you, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Do you know someone by the name of Yak?
Yes.
Now they're talking about Yak. They moved
How
on.
long?
I got a question.
Do you need to talk to your lawyer?
No, I'm just trying to see. I ain't supposed to say that or something. What,
Come on. Come on. Somebody paid this dude $3,000 for a mistrial.
And is there another hashtag?
Free Quay.
Ooh. Oh, shit.
Is there another hashtag on the screen?
Oh, no.
Your Honor,
It's in this paper right
Your
here.
Honor.
You got me reading.
Your Honor, I have to make a motion.
Westmoreland on that ass.
I wasn't looking at the screen. I was looking at this paper.
That's fine. Don't worry about it. Can I ask you to step outside for just a minute?
Why would she give? Why would Love Hilton give this man the paper when it's unredacted? Why didn't she just redact it? She intentionally walked up there and gave this man that piece of paper.
Can you step outside for a minute?
And on the paper, it said free Quay. Hell no.
and she knew that there was a mistake because he said, I'm not looking at the screen.
Right. All she had to do was redact it on the paper, or not even give him the paper. Just say, look at the screen, ninja. I ain't giving you nothing. Look at the screen. We're all going to be looking at the same thing. She didn't want to do that. Y ahora mira lo que pasó. Ain't this about a bitch? I read something yesterday and it said,
Your Honor, we're
stupid.
making a motion for a mistrial on behalf of Mr. Nichols. We're not going to be able to unring this bell. Your Honor, this is the exact same issue that while we were at the bench, I brought it up. It was Exhibit 37NN that there was a hashtag on that exhibit that said free Quay, which would definitely indicate to the jury that Quay, has spent time in jail or in prison. The state agreed. We stipulated that they would redact it. And the state presented, I guess, to the witness the unredacted version, didn't prep him to not comment on it, and he did. And Your Honor,
So let's stop it right there. Guys, it's not like the state just did this and they didn't know it was wrong. The state agreed with the defense counsel. We will not show this. We agree. We've talked about it beforehand. We promise you we will not show this photo where it says free Quay. We've already discussed it. It's not like, oh, we didn't know. No, we talked about it and we entered into an agreement with you, defense counsel, that we will not show this. We will not have this information presented before the jury. They agreed to it. And then what does fucking Hilton do? What does she do? I read a quote yesterday. It said, stupidity at the highest levels is indistinguishable from malice. You can have a level of stupidity so high that it looks like you're doing it on purpose. I mean, Jesus, you already agreed that you wouldn't get this information before the jury, and here your ass goes.